Hey guys, what's up? It's Kevin Schroff, and today we're going to take a look at the WORLDE Panda Mini, a budget, configurable 25-key MIDI controller with velocity-sensitive keys and pads, and more. In this review, we'll be taking a look at its build quality and design, features, how well it works, and my conclusion about the device overall. Special thanks goes out to Banggood for providing this review unit. The WORLDE Panda Mini has a functional design. The design is clearly form over function, and that's what you should expect at this $60 price point. That being said, the Panda Mini feels surprisingly solid and sturdy, and has a nice heft to it. The sizing of this MIDI controller is good. It's compact and portable without omitting desired features like pads or knobs. On the left-hand side, we can see the mini USB port, which is used to connect the MIDI controller to your device. Personally, I would have preferred if this port was located on the rear side of the device, as it would make more sense when placed on a desk in front of a computer. The WORLDE Panda Mini features 25 velocity-capable keys, 8 velocity-capable pads, 4 control knobs, and 4 control sliders. The buttons on the left allow it to move up and down octaves, pitch up and down, bank for different settings, CC mode, and mod. The knobs and sliders are smooth, and the keys have a good amount of travel. All the interfacing elements like the keys and pads feel nice to touch and use, and have good reactivity. In other words, the key presses and pad presses are recognized quickly and accurately when velocity is off. Velocity response, however, isn't great. For the keys, it's pretty inconsistent and also is non-linear in the way it registers varying levels of physical pressure. The pads are also similar in this regard. If you turn off velocity sensitivity for both and just set a constant velocity, then both the keys and pads become much more reliable and usable, and they're pretty good like this, as long as you don't care about losing out on velocity sensitivity. WORLDE also provides software for the Panda Mini, which allows you to configure many aspects of the MIDI controller, including mini channels configuration, CC configuration, pad and key velocity, and more. I tried the various key and pad velocity configuration options available, but none of them were able to rectify the velocity response issues I outlined earlier. The configurable settings can be loaded and saved directly into the Panda Mini's memory, allowing your changes to be saved to the Panda Mini and persist across computers. Overall, I think that the WORLDE Panda Mini is a good $60 entry-level MIDI controller with great value, a nice assortment of pads, keys, knobs and sliders, and good range of configurability, however, with disappointing velocity responsiveness. I still recommend this device to those looking for a budget entry into MIDI controllers, as long as they don't care about velocity response. If you're interested in purchasing this device, check the link in the description where you can get it on Banggood for the aforementioned price. Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed this review. If you have any questions about the WORLDE Panda Mini, leave a comment down below, and hit like and subscribe if this video helped you. Thanks and see you later.